Next one's gonna be the spread eagle transition, and it's made up of the same exact movements as the heel toe and the open book transition, except we're just gonna add like a little bit of like panache and flair to it. So what's happening with the spread eagle is our body is opening up to the world and we're closing the book. So it's like like a wide open book. Wide book. So you know, like when you fully open a book and it makes that like beautiful pattern, that's basically what a spread eagle is. The difference between this and the open book is rather than us immediately just opening the book and closing the book like we would if we were just dance skating. Let's say we're grooving, you know, we're having a good time, you know. It's nice and quick and snappy. It gets the job done. It can get us to where we want to go. That's what it looks like in real life. With the spread eagle, you are extending it. So that's kind of like short and snippy. The spread eagle is an extension. We're shifting our weight and then we're keeping our weight on our inner edges. So we're opening up our chest and our arms. There's this creator I love to follow. Her handle is goodguy91. Go and check her spread eagles out. They are the most beautiful thing. Like her neck is fully extended. I've got like the working man's spread eagle. Like it's for the girls who like don't mind being like a curmudgeon and like falling down and stuff. But hers is like very beautiful and elegant. So go check hers out. I'll drop a link to one of the spread eagles I fangirl over so that you can immediately understand the difference. So just know that you're getting the working girl's spread eagle, okay? I don't want anybody to come for me and be like, that's not a spread eagle. It is, okay? Okay, all right, so you're opening up your chest and you're shifting your weight to your inner edges almost entirely. A good way to practice would be just to stand with your skates like that and practice pushing your legs out. This is the only time I'm ever gonna recommend you straighten your legs, okay? Hear me now. It's the only time I'm ever gonna be like, don't bend your knees. You're straightening your legs out and then you're squeezing your thighs to maintain that control of that circle. Open book, ooh. And we come together. I know that you already know how to do the open book because I just told you. We are still making our open book, but we're just holding it longer because we want to be a spread open wide book. We want to unveil ourselves to the world, make ourselves big, where we usually make ourselves small. Spread eagle, you're going to make yourself big, nice and big, okay? I love this transition when I'm feeling just like very beautiful and flowy. That's the transition for me. Let's talk pivot transition, which is my #1 fave transition. I'm a pivot girly. I believe in the pivot as a life philosophy, and it is also just so happens to be one of my favorite skate moves. A prerequisite for this is to be able to do the C sweep, be able to pull off a C sweep. If you can pull off a C sweep, you should be able to pull this off. Pivot transition, you're going in one direction, you're going backwards. Oh, as I'm saying this out loud, it's gonna sound so much deeper than I mean it to come out. You're gonna be going backwards in one direction. And you're gonna be like, I don't wanna do this anymore. You're gonna pivot out of there. I crack myself up. If you're skating backwards, all right, so let's say we've already got backwards skating down. We're in here like swimwear. And our mind changed our direction. Here's what's happening. Whichever foot is our strong foot that we're gonna steer with, we're just gonna rest our weight on this leg here, the opposite of whatever's gonna steer for us. So we're here. The reason why I'm not saying right or left is because I'm a ridiculous person and I write left-handed, but I literally cannot do anything else with my left hand. So sometimes my left side is the strong side and sometimes it's the right side. So I don't wanna tell you, you know, do it on your right foot, because it's like, I'm so crisscrossed applesauce. My wires are crossed, so I'm sorry. Does anybody else have trouble telling right from left? I feel like I want to get like a little tattoo, like an L and an R. Is that just me? Please tell me that's not just me. Anyways, back to pivoting. So we're here, our knees are bent, and when we're ready, we're gonna shift to one side, and we're gonna just push our leg back and pop our heel up. Our foot is resting, that little toe, that meat right there beneath your toe. I want to say heel of your foot, but that sounds wrong. We're just gonna call it the undertoe meat. You're just gonna rest on your undertoe meat. You're not pushing too hard in the ground. And when you're ready, you're just going to pivot, pivot in the opposite direction. Well, it's not the opposite, but to the side, okay? So we're here. This is what it's gonna look like from here. We're here. Whoop. Whoop. Just a little side part. Whoop. All right, we're chilling, we're going backwards. Don't wanna do that anymore. Boom, we're there. And as we push our foot out, we lean our weight into that new foot. This foot kind of takes a little bit of a break, okay? He takes a little rest, and he might lift up. I don't know why this foot is nail. I don't know why. All right, so we're here, shift, pivot, 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 pivot. So that might look something like this. Oh, we're skating. We're having a good time. But you know what? We're tired of this. We're tired of going backwards. We're tired of going in this direction. I want to go in this direction. Okay? It doesn't look like it, but again, your shoulders are also a part of that equation. A good way to remember this, put your fingers right here, keep your arms up. And these will act as your like detectors of what your upper body is doing. So we're here. All right, I'm gonna pivot. I wanna go this way. So I'm gonna pivot with this foot. I wanna go this way, or I wanna be facing that direction. So we're here, here, and my shoulders go. Where my shoulders go, my body's gonna follow. Okay. Woo. We're here. Do. All right, out of town. Woo. Out of town. I'm having all these Freudian slips. Shoo. Shoo. You have to make the sound too, or it doesn't count. Shoo. And that, my friends, are transitions.